You will need to have the following items on hand prior to replacing the carriage foam supply: 1 carriage foam, latex gloves, GTX600 cleaning solution cup, 2 cleaning stick R, lint-free wipes, and a door key. Your GTX600 will prompt an error once it is time to perform the replacement of the carriage foam. If any other error or message is displayed, perform the required cleaning or replacement after replacing the carriage foam. From the error screen, press Menu OK and scroll down to Maintenance. With Maintenance highlighted, press Menu OK. Highlight Maintenance Part Clean Replace and press Menu OK. Select Replace Maintenance Unit Parts and press Menu OK. Press Menu OK in response to the following instructions on the screen. The carriage will then move into position. Complete this task within 15 minutes to prevent the print heads and the maintenance station from encountering possible damage. Fill the cleaning solution cup with the GTX600 cleaning solution. Proceed to the right side and open the door using the key to access the print head carriage. Use a strong flashlight to illuminate the work area. Hold the corner ends of the carriage foam and pull down to remove it from the magnets which hold it in place. Pull down the carriage foam until the carriage foam makes contact with the sliding surface of the foam guide. Pull and remove the carriage foam towards you along the sliding surface of the foam guide. Be careful not to let the carriage foam come into contact with the nozzle surface of the print heads. Once the old carriage foam is removed, take a cleaning stick R and dip it into the cleaning solution cup. Proceed to clean the nozzle guards according to the following infographics. Make sure to clean the front, back, and sides of the nozzle guards as illustrated here. Do not make contact or clean the area of the nozzle face outlined in red, as you can damage the nozzles. It is not easy to see the rear side of the nozzle guard. We recommend using a mirror to see the rear nozzle guards while cleaning. Then clean the front side of the nozzle guards. Wipe any ink debris onto a lint-free wipe. Then proceed to clean the bottom of the nozzle guards. Do not touch the area highlighted in red. Once both white nozzle guards have been cleaned, proceed to clean the CMYK nozzle guards following the same steps. Use a new cleaning stick R with cleaning solution to clean the CMYK side. Never use any used cleaning stick from white on color or vice versa, as this will contaminate the print heads. After both sets of nozzle guards have been cleaned, inspect the bottom of the carriage plate to ensure there are no ink clots. When removing ink clots, do not use hard objects like tweezers. Remove ink clots by pinching them with a cleaning stick R or your fingers. Taking the door key, proceed to open both the upper left side doors to access the maintenance station. Moisten a lint-free wipe in GTX600 cleaning solution. Proceed to clean the top of the plate near the flushing foams. Wipe away from the flushing foams to prevent the ink waste from entering the flushing foams and the wiper cleaner solution tank. After the plate has been cleaned, proceed to install a new carriage foam. Place the tip of the new carriage foam on the sliding surface of the foam guide. Be careful not to let the carriage foam contact the nozzle surface of the printheads. Insert the carriage foam between the tabs as indicated above. Carefully slide the carriage foam all the way back until it makes contact with the rear metal clips. Ensure that the carriage foam is in correctly and that the openings in the foam match up with the printheads. Do not touch the surface of the printheads. Carefully lift the carriage foam up until it makes secure contact with the magnets. Next, ensure the front and rear metal clips are lined up and in position with the carriage foam. Make sure that the nozzle surface of the printheads protrudes from the bottom surface of the foam. Then ensure all magnets make secure contact with the carriage foam. Close and lock the right-hand side door. Then close and lock the left-hand side doors. Return to the control panel and press Menu OK to move the carriage and printheads back into position. Before resuming printing, print nozzle checks for both white and color to ensure no nozzles are missing. Do not pour used cleaning solution into the maintenance station. Used cleaning solution can be disposed of in the waste ink tank, which is located inside the bottom left side door. Dispose of all ink contaminated material in accordance with applicable laws.